Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are practicing Sukhasana, or commonly known as cross-legged position. This is the most basic, simple asana in the whole yoga series, and we usually all are aware how to sit in the cross-legged position. So Sukhasana is simple, where you're not giving any strain to your lower body. The legs are gently crossed and no strain. So this is what the basic simple Sukhasana is. Now, there are a lot of people who are not comfortable at all in sitting on the floor, or they have never practiced to sit in any meditative positions or any asanas that helps them. So Sukhasana is the basic one, where you just begin to prepare the body to sit in the meditative postures. And suggesting this asana even before suggesting any pranayama practice, breathing practice is also very, very good, because it helps prepares the body come into relaxation and easy posture and then get into any breathing or meditative practice. We can add, for the pregnant woman, slight twists with the Sukhasana so that it helps her relieve strain from the back and gives her a little bit of stretch in the body, release any anxiousness or any stiffness in the body. So if there are many conditions that in which women are not able or not allowed medically to do a lot of things, but simple asanas just like Sukhasana and adding a little bit of variation to it can be really helpful. So adding the slight twist, we just gently place our alternate hand on the alternate knee, right hand on the left knee, and taking our left hand at the back and gently twisting. And on the other side. And exhale. This asana is absolutely safe to be practiced in all trimesters. I'm in my 9th month and 3rd trimester. I could twist and it was relaxing for my personal body. But for a lot of women, due to the size of their belly or maybe congestion in their upper body, or they want to be mindful of not overstretching their belly, they can feel uncomfortable while stretching. So it's really depending on women to women and their bodily condition to know that how much they're willing to do. Twisting in any other posture can be difficult for many women, but twisting in Sukhasana is still a lot easier. So when you're trying to give any asanas where only there are slight stretches, twisting in Sukhasana is preferable and recommended, because it only gives a slight stretch to the body and also relieves any tension. Taking care of minor points and always being aware of not holding the breath while stretching or not overstretching, reminding the women is very important. Otherwise, this asana is absolutely safe to be practiced in all 3 trimesters. Thank you.